The descendants of tribal chief belonging to the Kongwir clan today paid floral tribute to the former tribal chief of Himamilliam, Paim Satirajas Aim and his wife Mahade Shirngen Kongwir as a mark of respect and honor the two departed souls of the ruling clan. Close relatives of Paim Satirajas Aim and Mahade Shirngen Kongwir, which include their eldest son Stanling D. Kongwir, nephews, nieces, children and grandchildren, laid wreaths at their tombstones at the Maulai Nongpadeng Church of Christ Cemetery in Shillong on his 70th death anniversary. Paim Satirajas Aim passed away on the 30th November 1950. Mahade Shirngen Kongwir, who passed away on the 12th of September 1958, was also fondly remembered today, and the same tribute was accorded to her. A commemoration program for the two great personalities of the ruling clan of the Himamilliam was held at the residence of Stanling D. Kongwir's mother's place at Maulai Nongpadeng, followed with laying of wreaths at their tombstones at Maulai Nongpadeng Church of Christ Cemetery with devotion. Paim Satirajas Aim and Mahade Shirngen Kongwir left behind 6 children, including Stanlington Kongwir, Beslington Kongwir, Yeslington Kongwir, Kedalin Kongwir, Sylvester Kongwir, and Dismonlin Kongwir. Stanling D. Kongwir is the lone surviving son, and all his brothers and sisters has passed away. Paim Satirajas Aim was appointed the deputy tribal chief of Himamilliam in the year 1925 and adorned as the tribal chief in the year 1936. He was elected as the president of Khasi National Darbar on the 28th of February 1937. Paim Satirajas Aim was one of the tribal chiefs who signed the instrument of accession in 1948. As a devout believer, Paim Satirajas Aim also spared time for the Church of Christ and became one of the founding members of the Church of Christ at Maulai Nonglo, along with Pastor Rogini Kharkongor and other church elders. He was the treasurer of the church from the year 1932 till 1942, when he handed over his responsibility to his wife Mahade Shirngen Kongwir. Before his assumption as the tribal chief of Himamilliam, he had worked at Class 1 contractor, and people still remember him because he was involved in the construction of the road before reaching Lankardem on the Shillong Peninsula Road. Paim Satirajas Aim is still fondly remembered by the people of Maulai because he and S.A. Khan were instrumental in getting the Maulai ground known as Madan Hair from the Forest Department in 1923. In those days, the Maulai authorities used to pay an annual lease fee of Rs1 to the Forest Department for using the ground. The descendants Paim Satirajas Aim and his wife Mahade Shirngen Kongwir will raise funds to make a magnificent tombstone in their honor, and the extra money will be given to the church.
Kum uta ubalangit hami aplay, mat kum yur aplay, kabat one ra aplay, ya kata kajing plus kem ke jongi, hoi ilong menshua, unong yalam, bat unong putin, ha ki bentai ke babun, jong ke kam ke bakrau ke jami, mat ha gini ke por try, ni skongo aplay, bang yok banya, ken do agini ke por, bat ban ken mau aplay, ya kata kajing let nyok ke jongi, kebelah nyok post nem menshua.
La ai ke luksa ke babha jadi pun di bahaya masa menunjuk ini marbale dari dah jingdon jong i pela tek som mo ada mata baik ada jingdon jong i dah jikat tu blai jingim jong i bagi kurim jong i kan no ba kaye asal ku di la ya roi ke la pa patila long kumne ko long la de no ka jikat tu blai jikat ini ai sung i blai kalau don kaji kunjung tu ya dia mai dia don ba tempat tu iru lalong tak terserah buat terserah balang sapu ada dalam terserah don tapi tu yang tu leh begini kata besar bayangi tiba dia memang tak betul tu yang tu leh apa itu tadi tu leh kacing pakawan ini kacing pakawan dipun di badannya scam play nak kubiya kau itu mesti kaya don lang kita jinton jika dia berjanji dengan memperselam akan kepot dengan soal boleh ke pang paper boleh pulang itu care di tanpa ini belayap ngepusnem panggil scam pengilai selalu bintu itu setiap mau ini mau ya kan nuksan ini kota ini kota gabu ini yang lek kata